In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a contract in Pandadoc. Whether you're signing a sales agreement, a proposal, or any other kind of document, the process in Pandadoc is quick and secure once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it from the moment you receive the email, all the way to confirming that the document is fully completed. First, go to the email invitation you received from Pandadoc. This is usually sent to you by the person or company that needs your signature. In that email, look for the button that says Open Document. When you click this button, your default browser will open and load the contract directly in Pandadoc's online viewer. Give it a second to load, especially if the document is large or has multiple pages. Once the document is open, you'll see the Pandadoc interface around it. To begin the signing process, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Start button. This is a really helpful feature because it automatically jumps you to the first field you're required to complete. You don't have to scroll around and hunt for where to sign. Pandadoc guides you through each step. When the system takes you to your first required field, you'll see the signature field highlighted, often outlined in red or clearly marked so you can't miss it. Go ahead and click directly inside that signature area. This will open a pop-up window where you can create your signature. In this pop-up, Pandadoc gives you three main options. You can type your name and have Pandadoc generate a styled signature for you. You can draw your signature using your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you're on a touchscreen device. Or if you already have a saved image of your signature, you can upload that file. Take a moment to choose the option that looks the most professional and accurate for your needs. When you're happy with how it looks, click Accept and Sign. Your signature will appear in the field you selected. If there are additional required fields, such as initials, dates, or text boxes, Pandadoc will continue guiding you from one field to the next until everything is filled out. Follow the prompts until you reach the end. When you've completed all required fields, look again at the top or sometimes the bottom of the page for the Finish button. Click Finish to finalize the document. This step is important because it officially submits your signed contract and automatically notifies the sender that you're done. At this point, your part is complete and you can usually download or save a copy for your own records.